Hi, my name is Adrian Ploskar, and today we will do a walk around on our Kubota SE9000 series choppers. Our SE9000 series, they are coming with two models, the 6.4 meter model and also the 5.6 model. This model is specially designed for professional farmers, for maize and sunflower residue cleaning. Our SE9000 series, they are equipped with highly performant gearbox that works with 1000 RPM. Can work with tractors starting from 130 horsepower up to 260 horsepower. They are connected with the 3-point linkage. We have PTO transmission and we have two hydraulic hoses to operate it. Another big benefit of the SE9000 series is that infield has a wide coverage but compact in transport with only 2.5 meter width. In order to ensure safety on road transportation, our SE9000 series are equipped also with hydraulic blocking system. This model can be equipped with both wheels for better ground following, but also with a compacting roller in the back with automatic scraping system. The optional wheels can be adjusted in height using the stop links in order to have a better flow in different field conditions. 5 V-belts are equipped on both sides of this model with an automatic tensioning system in order to ensure a better flow of material and recirculation inside the chopper. We are offering a heavy-duty rotor for our choppers, 245 mm in diameter with 10 mm thickness of the tube. Our rotors can be equipped with hammer blades for heavy-duty, tough material to chop, and also with universal blades for fine shredding, fine grinding material. On the Kubota choppers, as standard, we are equipping with side skids, 3 position adjustments, and also a wearing plate in order to increase the lifetime of the skid. A big plus of our SE9000 series is that we are offering wide openings to consumable parts for easy maintenance.